So hello everyone, welcome to TryRide. This is Back 365. So today we are going to learn the remaining built-in method that are available in our Python. Okay, so the next built-in method is digit. So what is the use of each digit method, guys? Whenever we are taking a string, inside that if the string will be containing only digit, then it will be returning the boolean value as true, otherwise it's false. Okay, if given string containing, guys, here it will be containing whole string, means inside that there will be no character as alphabet. Okay, means inside any string it's only the digit or not. If yes, it return boolean value as true, means inside that everything it will be only in the form of this uh, is it only, otherwise false. Okay, based on this condition we can find that particular thing. So guys, the syntax for this one will be variable name dot each digit. By the help of this method we can find. So how it will be going to work, I want to give you some example. So I'll take one string called 123, and here I just want to take a character called your tririte. Okay, tririte I'll take. Now if I'm going to run this one by the help of this variable name dot each digit. Okay, so guys, just see, if I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me false as my output. If you see here, it will be containing character as well as the alphabet also, but our each digit say if it will be only containing the digit, then only it will be need to give, otherwise it will be give me the false as my output. If I'm going to remove this character part, now if I'm going to run one, then it will be give me the true, means entire string only containing the digit part only. Okay guys, then the next one will be is alpha. So is alpha, guys, is nothing but whenever the string containing only character, means inside that no extra special character or digit will be available. Only the whole string will be containing the character only. Okay, the whole string is a character taking, then it return boolean value as true, otherwise false as my output. Okay, for this syntax will be variable name dot is alpha. If you see guys, I don't want to tell you the return type of this because it will be already, I just tell you the return type in the definition only. Now if I'm going to take a new example, okay, so first I need to comment this one. Okay, now I just want to take same example. Now if I'm going to run this one, but here I need to change the method, so I'll take is alpha. Okay, is alpha. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will also give me the false as my output because it will be containing the digit as well as the character also, but I want only the digit. Now if I'm going to run this one, okay, means I'll be removing this part, the integer part, then I will be checking for this is alpha, then it will be give me true as my output, means it will be checking whole string will be containing only the character. Then the next one will be is alnum. So is alnum method, it will be not containing, it is the combination of both character as well as the digit only. Okay, if the given string having containing both digit and character, then it return boolean value true, otherwise false. Okay guys, now we are going to see in through a example only. So first I need to commit this one, then I just need to take few more example. Now, if I'm going to use this example, okay, so here I need to use this example, that particular things. Here I need to change, this will be having the each alnom or not, means it will be containing both the digit as well as the character or not. Now if I'm going to run this one, then it will be give me the output as true, because it will be combination of digit and character only. Guys, just see, if I am removing, if I am not giving anything, then if I'm using a special character, okay, I'll use at the rate. Now if you see, it will be give me false, because here I am using one extra character. Is along means only it will be containing digit and your character only. Okay, so this is the is along method that will be available in our Python. Then the next built-in method will be count method. Guys, by the help of this word only, you can know that this will be used for to counting something. Okay, so this method is used to give the number of occurrence of a given substring. Means if you are passing something and it will be counting that particular thing. So guys, you can type, you can guess that particular return type of this will be the integer. Means if you are going to counting, then it's always give in the form of the integer only. So for the variable name also, variable name dot count. Okay, so here first I need to give pass the substring. Here I need to directly pass the starting index and ending index also. Guys, if you are not passing also, it will be not possible, but you need to give this substring, because it will be taking the mandatory one. Okay, now we are going to see through on this example only. So here I am just taking, means a string hello world. Okay, so now I need to give a, means if you are not giving that particular starting index or ending index also, it's fine. If you are giving also, it's fine. Okay, now if I'm using this one, so s dot count I need to, but if you are not giving this, you I can say this substring, then it will be throwing an error. If you are not giving anything, then how it going to count? Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me 3 as my output, because it will be showing me 3 types. If I am not giving anything, guys, just see, if I am not giving anything, I just pass this count here a empty, so it will be not counting anything. So just a second, five. Okay, so I'll take this one. So it will be if you are not giving anything, but you are using the inverted comma, so it will be taking the entire thing. Here if I am not passing anything, then in that case it will be give me a error, type error. It will be at least taking one argument. So this is my mandatory argument that are available. Okay guys, so now we need to comment it this out. Then the next example for this one will be, now if I'm going to count the f and I need to pass the starting index 4. Now if I'm going to run this one, we know the f will be not available, and here I am also passing the f also. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys. So I need to give this one also. So yeah, just see guys. Now, if I'm going to, we know that f will be not available. Also, we are starting this from the 4. If that particular things will be not available, then it will be throwing an error, guys. Okay. By the help of this count method, you can find any substring of a occurrence that will be available in our Python. Then the next method will be strip method. What is the use of this strip method? It will be used to remove the unwanted character. Means inside the string, if there are some space will be there, or if you want to remove something, the character, then by the help of the strip method, you can do that. Okay, how it will be going to work, I will to tell you. So it is used to remove the unwanted character which are available at the starting and the ending of the string. Okay, so the strip method will be create the result in a new memory location. So it will create the string in a new memory location. We are going to check that also. The return type of this will be return type of strip is a string only. Okay, because if you are want to unwanted, then it will be removed. The space is considered as a default argument. If I am not passing only, then it will be taking as my default as my space. So now I just want to take through some example, then you can get a clear picture on that. So guys, just see, I am taking a string called, here I am taking two spaces, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D, and here I am taking two spaces. Now I want to strip that particular thing. So by the help of s dot strip, okay, if I'm not giving any argument, so by default it will be taking me this space as my input. So it will be removing both hand side that particular things. Okay guys, just see. But if you see here, it will be not taking. Okay, so I'll give you past that. Guys, if you see here, it will be taking some spaces. Okay, now if I'm going to give some spaces, by default it will be taking that particular. Means space is also a character. Guys, if you are not giving anything, then in this case it will be give me an error. Okay guys, just see. So ABCD it will take. Means if I'm not giving anything inside that, it will be give me the entire string, exact string. If I will give something inside that, then it will take. So now I just want to remove the a. Now if I'm going to use this one, so it will be helpful to remove the okay, so why it will be not working. Okay, guys, if you see here, it will be why it will be not removing, because on the left hand side that unwanted thing will be not removing. First, we need to remove this one, then only it going to work. So guys, just see. First, if I'm going to run this one, so it will be removing that. Now, again, if I'm going to remove that part, okay, so guys, just see. Here I just want to give a inside that. Now guys, if I'm going to run this one, what is the output guys? Just see BCD. Means from the starting and index, the both hand side must be same. Otherwise, it will be not give you the correct output. Okay, make sure that it will be going to work like that. Now, if I'm going to use only the right strip and L strip, means only the right hand side I want to remove. At that time, you can use the R strip. Okay, means in the right hand side I just want to remove the a. Now if I'm going to run this one, from this right side the a will be gone, but from the left hand side it will be available. Now again if I'm going to run this the L strip, okay, now here I'm just taking the a, then the right hand side will be gone. Okay, it's available. Guys, if you see, every time it will be creating in a different memory location. If you want to see that particular things, okay, I'll want to print every id in different printing statement. Okay, so yes guys, now you can see that particular thing. If I'm going to run this one, every time it will be creating in a different memory location. Okay, but yeah, I need to print the first id of this one, because it will be creating in a different memory location guys, right? So here I need to pass. Guys, now you can see first the main string will be available in 1104, but all of this will be in the same because we are going to use this one, but we need to compare with these two, because these are the method. Means this method every time it will be creating a new, but as compared to this one, but string is a immutable. Means if you are using the this one again, if I'm going to run this s, then the same main string will be only showing. Okay guys, means for it will be only performing some task, then will be it will same. That's why for this every method it will be same, and for this one it will be different. Okay guys, So that's it for this session. If you guys any doubt, you can directly contact to TriRights, and thanks for watching TriRight.